aircraft carrier not belonging to the U.S. Navy is the French Charles de Gaulle, with a full load displacement of 4,500 tons. The Ford-class aircraft carrier even reaches 112,000 tons. This power is truly terrifying. Currently, there are 11 aircraft carrier battle groups. In wartime, a fully deployed carrier battle group can cover an extensive area. The combat formation is typically centered on the aircraft carrier, with an inner defensive ring about 18.5 km away and an outer ring about 92 km away. Nuclear attack submarines can operate 110 kilometers ahead or farther. With 78 to 80 fighter jets aboard the carrier, the control range can extend up to 400 kilometers, while early warning aircraft can detect targets at distances of at least 600 kilometers. Thus, the defensive perimeter of a carrier battle group can extend 400 kilometers, with a strike range of over 1,000 kilometers. The central defense area covers more than 500,000 kilometers, all under the absolute control of the U.S. Navy, prohibiting the presence of any enemy targets in the air, on the surface, or underwater. The strike zone can cover more than 3,000 kilometers. This means that just one carrier battle group is sufficient to confront or defeat the Navy of a medium-power country. This demonstrates that the U.S. Navy's strength is vastly superior to that of other nations. In addition, the U.S. Navy has the strongest submarine fleet in the world. All submarines in its service are nuclear-powered. Currently, there are a total of 69 nuclear submarines in operation, including 3 Seawolf-class attack submarines, 18 Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines, and 4 converted into cruise missile submarines. The U.S. Navy also fields 21 Virginia-class attack submarines and 27 Los Angeles-class attack submarines, all of which are advanced 3rd and 4th generation nuclear submarines. It should be noted that conventional submarines cannot compare to nuclear submarines in terms of overall performance. The U.S. abandoned conventional submarines 35 years ago. Although Russia's submarine fleet, comprising both nuclear and conventional types, can match the U.S. in numbers in terms of overall performance and technological sophistication, the Russian Navy falls short of the U.S. Navy. The U.S. Navy also operates amphibious assault ships in numbers and tonnage far exceeding those of other nations. In particular, these ships are much larger than small aircraft carriers, surpassing anything comparable by other countries with regional naval forces. Furthermore, the U.S. Navy possesses a powerful supply fleet, including dozens of large general-purpose supply ships, with a total displacement exceeding 1.5 million tons, capable of sustaining U.S. naval combat operations worldwide. Additionally, the warships that the U.S. Navy has placed into storage also have significant displacement. The U.S. has stored many retired aircraft carriers, warships, and nuclear submarines. After retirement, these vessels are not immediately scrapped, but are kept in temporary storage. Typically, these ships are no longer in service, but with minor repairs and refurbishment, they can be reactivated as combat-ready warships once again. Once reactivated, their combat power becomes formidable. According to reports from U.S. media, among the retired vessels, at least 30 destroyers and dozens of cruisers are in storage, and the actual number may be even higher. Among these stored warships, there are also 4 retired aircraft carriers of the U.S. Navy. A British expert has analyzed that these retired warships could easily equip the Navy of a major power. With just the strength of its Navy, the United States already has the capability to confront any single nation, or even multiple nations simultaneously.